I don't think he liked that I cleaned his slobber away from the door. What's up, guys? This right here is Cortez. And this right here is Cortez's door panel. And as you guys can see, it has Cortez's slobber all over the place. So today, we're gonna show you guys how to clean it up. All right, so to begin this detailing process, we're gonna start off with our Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. Now, Nonsense works great on everything. So you can use it on the door panel, on the buttons, on the handles, whatever it is. This thing works out great for both interior and exterior surfaces. And the best way to use it is actually paired with a soft brush like this one. Now, the reason I like to pair it with the brush is because this material right here, it's not smooth, it actually has a texture to it. So whenever you use a microfiber towel to just spray and wipe, you're really only cleaning the surface, you're not really getting that in-between texture. So the best product to use for this would be Nonsense. So what you want to do is you want to spray some directly onto the surface. And I also like to spray just about a couple sprays onto the bristles of the brush, just kind of saturate the bristles. And then after you do that, simply start agitating the surface. And you'll see that Nonsense has a very, very great foaming agent that foams up like crazy. And that foam, it's not just for looks, that foam actually helps extract any kind of embedded dirt, grime, slobber in this case. It also helps remove any kind of previous dressings that you had on your door panel. So, you know, from the looks of it, this door panel doesn't look like it had a lot going on for it. So that's probably why it got stained in the first place. But we have our Nonsense all-purpose cleaner to go ahead and get us out of this pickle. And then once you're done scrubbing, grab yourself a soft microfiber towel and buff off the excess of the cleaner. Now, just a few seconds, when I finish wiping this little section, I will show you what my towel looks like, because from the looks of it, we already have a lot of dirt and grime that we're pulling out and extracting from the surface, which is a great thing. That's exactly why we're cleaning it in the first place, is because we want to make sure that there's absolutely no dirt, no grime, or no kind of embedded oil sitting on the surface. Next on the list is the glass. Now, the biggest thing about this glass specifically is that it's tinted. So obviously you don't want to use a household cleaner that contains ammonia, because that's going to damage your tints and it's going to make them look all purple and nasty and cheap. So instead, you want to use a product like our streak-free window cleaner, which is fully ammonia-free, and it's safe to use on all types of glass, as well as tinted, aftermarket, and stock tints. Now, one pro tip when it comes to cleaning glass: always stick to one motion when it comes to either sides of the glass. So what I mean by that is, whenever you're cleaning the inside of your glass, it helps if you go in one direction. So in this case, you guys will see me going left to right. And then once you're done wiping it, simply come back, buff it with the dry side of your towel. In this case, I'm using the waffle weave drying towel, because you guys will see the towel actually has these waffle-like texture, which scoops up dirt and grime just like how a waffle soaks up liquids like syrup. So as you guys can see, the door I don't think he liked that I cleaned his slobber away from the door. So as you guys can see, the door panel looks great, but unfortunately the sad truth is that you can't stop your dog from drooling on your interior. But there is something you can do to help prevent it from staining your door panels. and that is our Hydro Shield vinyl, rubber, and plastic ceramic shine coating. I know it's a mouthful, but this thing works incredible. And this product, in a nutshell, is a ceramic dressing. So the great thing about it is that it's gonna enhance the trim, it's gonna condition it, it's gonna bring it back to life, and it's also gonna enhance it with hydrophobic properties. That way, if you do get drool, then most of it will just end up falling off, or in this case, it will just prevent staining. So this product is extremely easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray some onto an applicator. I'm gonna do it very light spray just because I don't wanna go overboard with the product. But the ultimate finish is gonna be a new look finish. So it's not gonna leave it all greasy or oily looking. This is actually gonna enhance it just by adding a little bit of more depth while protecting the finish. All right guys, and now that we're done applying Hydro Shield to the surface of the door panel, pro tip, grab yourself a dry microfiber towel once you're done applying it, and simply just go over the areas that you applied it to remove any kind of excess. That way you don't have any kind of residue left behind. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, if you guys wanna pick up any products that we use in today's video, they're gonna be linked in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And the reason I closed the door in the first place is because I thought it looked great and I wanna keep it looking that great, but I can't do that if Cortez is in there. So for the time being, we're gonna go on a little adventure. We'll see you guys next time.